Alright.
Alrighty. Oh, yeah.
So, I'm going to read a little excerpt for us from Davis 8. So, this bell is no ordinary bell. It represents the completion of a journey of courage and bravery that we share with our patients. So, our staff is proud to offer this ceremony to you, our hero. At the final treatment, we honor you to celebrate it and to thank you for participating and sharing in this beautiful and important symbol of closure. So if you would read aloud and perform.
Ring this bell 3 times well, and you just kind of, there we go.
At the end.
At the end.
Yeah.
Read it all.
Ring this bell 3 times well. It's told to clearly say, my treatment's done, this course is run, and I'm on my way.
And you can hit as hard as you want.
You gotta wake up.
Yeah, like pull up the side.
Thank you all so much. You know, you guys have chosen an honorable profession, and that just leads to an honorable life. I mean, just can't thank you enough. Yeah. So.
You're very well. COVID goodbye.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Well, I've done this training here. Yeah.
Oh, you guys, it's a bell ceremony.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
All right.